poor signage on a bike trail led me along a rough terrain into an isolated spot where I punctured my tire. I was in a pickle because I had no knowledge of bicycle maintenance skills. As I was sulking, looking around my surroundings, I saw crumbling ruins and the view of the mighty Potomac River as I had never seen it before. This made me feel vulnerable but exhilarated at the same time. Pumped, I felt. What was needed was to show people what to expect and where to explore and the astonishing hidden gems that are nestled on and around our bike trails. So we needed something that would encourage more women and more beginners to get out and bike. Something that would show an easy visual guide to bike maintenance, something that shows that bike riding is nothing to fear. That's what I really needed before I took up bicycle riding 3 years ago. Also, little did I know that we women are greatly in the minority on the trails, and I would like to change that.
I think anybody can bike if they have the physical ability to find their balance.
So yes, I can do this. I am a woman, I am a videographer, enthusiastic, and now I'm a bicycle rider. So what did I do? I joined forces with a female accomplice and we became Ride and Shine Bicycling Trailblazing Women on a YouTube channel.
We filmed over 100 videos and have many loyal fans.
These fun videos that we do, we show how bicycle riding is not only a way to exercise, but also can be used as a tool to learn about our American history, see hidden gems that you didn't even know existed, ride by stunning nature, all by traveling on our bike trails. We believe our YouTube channel has empowered women, girls, and beginners to get on their bikes. Other women have participated in our cause on our YouTube channel. A bike shop owner.
If it's too much, then you back it off a little bit.
A bike mechanic.
So check the brakes to make sure that they are braking well.
A certified instructor.
If you've never had the opportunity to learn something, you shouldn't be embarrassed to try it.
And a sports therapist.
So ladies, for us,
France sent the original Statue of Liberty.
It's a great place to bike.
You have a saddle on a bike, that doesn't mean it has to stay your saddle.
All to help us create clear and simple informational videos that offer advice to increase the bicyclist's confidence and feelings. No fear. We feel that women and beginning cyclists are underrepresented in the media.
We're outnumbered.
This is a movement for everyone. We just want to empower people to get on bikes, especially women and girls.
We're here to encourage all women, but especially women of color, to get on bikes and ride.
To further the cause, I wrote and published a children's book called Bicycle Wonder Girls Adventures. And this was to inspire young girls to get on their bikes and go for a magical ride. Can you help us empower women and girls to enhance their lives with biking? So thank you, and as we say at the end of all our videos,
Hope to see you riding.
Hope to see you riding. Hope to see you riding.